My name is Jessica and I live on a beautiful island called Jamaica. I love the ocean and hunt for my own food. It's a great day, so we all go out. I don't like climbing, so I jump. Here we have a nurse shark. Hi, Sharky. And the catch of the day, nice mackerel. What a catch. After the dive, we roast the fresh catch by this beautiful beach. In the evening, we will play some pool. Remember to like this video and let's get the adventure started.
Good morning people. Yes, look at the sea. Nice. Alright. Getting a good sea this morning. The current is going up this way, so we're going down this way and then jump in and see what we can get. Look at the sea colors. Oh, this is so beautiful. I love it. Yeah, wouldn't mind some lobsters. Yeah. Beautiful. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Oh my, they see the sea cow, so why can't I see the sea cow? Oh man. I want to see the sea cow. Sea cow, show yourself to me. Yes guys, if you want to see a big sea cow, head over to Kwesi channel. He has a video with a nice, massive sea cow. Black ants. Morning.
What up?
What up? What up?
Yeah.
Back in the beautiful parish of Portland. Sometimes there's some nice lobster out this way. It's not my favorite place because it's just a lot of desert and a lot of just deepness, but we kind of actually late in the day already. We just don't go too far today. But you never know, the sea always has some surprises sometimes. Actually when you're not expect it. Uno. Good morning, Kevin. What's up?
Good.
Yeah, going out today. Yes, hunting.
Hunting.
All right. Yes, people. Look at this, beautiful. No, this is not West End. This is Portland. Yeah. So you guys already know I don't like too much to climbing, so I'm just gonna jump off and have the guys climb down the rocks. I'm gonna jump in right here. See those waves? Man. Oh, just happy when the weather is like that. Look at this. The color pretty. Oh man. Let's pray for guidance and protection and a good catch. Down we go. Ready? Let's jump. Woo! You see the big nice mackerel catch? Oh, this is so cool. Hi! Awesome. Ah, 5 big mackerel came our way. Yes. So cool. Black cats, big up yourself. Nice.
Yeah, man. Good shoot.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Nice. So, Carl, you get a good catch today.
Good catch.
Yeah, man. Every minute I see you go down, you come back with one grunt.
You know, I don't really make a fish today though.
They were just lying there. Yes, but guys, I need to give you the story with the mackerel. I'll soon tell you the story about the mackerel because that was a nice teamwork. It's just unfortunate that he came out one different spot. People. So yes, I have to walk all the way back. Yeah, my car is this way and we came out this way. So let me see one bike. See if I can get a ride. I'm so tired. I want a ride now. It's a long walk. Look at my head. Oh man. Yeah, it was a good day. I just want to, guys, I want to show you the mackerel. This was such a, alright, let me give you guys the story. So I see these 5 mackerel coming my way. So I said, alright, I'm gonna take the dive. I take the dive, but it was a little too far. And then I needed some more breath. So I said, but they weren't wild. So I'm like, okay, no worry, I can actually go up and take a breath and try again. But Black Ants was right there. So when I came up, he was there and basically ready. I said, you know what, take my gun and try. Because his gun is a little shorter and a little less power, and the cord on my gun longer. So yeah, anyway, I gave him the gun and he went down and shot the mackerel. That is so cool. Yeah, but he came in before us because I really wanted to show you guys a proper footage of the nice size mackerel. Anyway, next time, because thinking gone home already with his catch of the day. Yeah man, pick up yourself, Black Ants. That was a nice work. Yeah, that was very cool, guys. Nice big mackerel. 5 of them, 5 of those. Yeah man, that's nice. You never know what the sea has for you. Hey, but take your time here. Yeah. Which way? By the blue?
Give me up. Yeah.
Right. Breadfruit, rosa fry. I think one will do. We probably don't need more than that. No, don't this so. They rock. Are we? Morning. Ah, yeah. Nice. Yes, people, we have some fish and we have some breadfruit right off the tree. Nice spot where you're gonna roast the catch and just hang out. Yes. Wow, look at this beautiful day. Perfect. Yes, that's the spot. brought you guys.
Roasted. You gotta do the thing though. Yeah. Got that one.
I love it, people. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. We have a nice catch. Yeah, wonderful. We got them, and then so this is a different style, so we're not gonna scale them. We're gonna put them on the fire just like that, so that will actually be the foil paper. And then when it roasts, you take it off and you will have a tender, nice meat to eat. Yeah, nice catch. Lunch, lunch, here you go. Mwah. Can I get a kiss? Mwah. Yes, yes, nice, nice, nice. A good dive, a good dive. Fire roasting the breadfruit, and then after that we're gonna add the fish. And in the meantime, we're just gonna hang out looking at the ocean. Like that alone is meditation, just chilling here, looking at the ocean and just enjoy the rest of the day. Yeah, wonderful. Uh-oh. Yeah, that's how we do it. Waiting. Gracie, where you say?
Outside.
Outside. Yeah. Yeah. Where you say? I put you on the spot.
Praise him.
How was the diving?
Good.
Good?
Yeah.
Yeah? You saw a big shark today?
Right.
Yes, people, we saw a big shark, like I think bigger than myself. The head was so huge. It was a nurse, but
Yeah,
I think the biggest nurse I've seen in a good while. Like huge. Yes,
Chilling.
man. Just here waiting on the food because we're hungry. We're out from morning. I don't even know what time it is. Who cares about time? Guys, look at the view we have. Alright, let's turn around. Hey!
Hey, Panda.
And when is it? Go play pool later?
Cool.
We should make a bet. We're going to win. You're going to win me? Yeah. Guys, who will win the game later, I will let you know. So we're gonna play some pool later on. Yes, they said, girl, you need to play some pool. So we're gonna do that later. Yeah. Yeah. So I said I'm gonna play pool with these guys later, and they've been here telling stories about who they beat and beat and beat. About playing later. I probably won't even have a chance. Not even a chance.
You see, I played my left one. Although my left one kind of good too. I played my left
You
one.
play with your left hand.
Yeah. Played any right hand. Yeah, use my left one.
Alright, that can work. I want food. Alright guys, catch the pool game later.
Jungle style. Yeah.
Coming from the sea, I roast the catch. Kin, yes people.
Hiya! Jag talar till Tongqing Yu, Yong Yong Yi.
Guys, my knife is dull. Like my teeth. My teeth them dull too.
Nice, film.
You see a snapper?
Yeah, I'm seeing a snapper. When you do find it, you jack up then, and you swim down on it. I must see grunt to your shoulder and so like that. You see a snapper race and go cross. Now, what that is the very... Chill soft, eh?
It's me I go mash you guys up.
Full game.
They tell me the fun days. They tell me about days.
You say play with him left hand.
See you shooting that last leg.
Eh?
Cut, you want the cut go around there.
And you know say that I want hard one.
Pow, pow, pow. Pow, pow, pow.
Yeah man.
Yes guys, I'm gonna take you guys there later and we see what's up. Yeah.
Jet Li the teacher.
Quickly.
No,
G unit.
G unit.
Yeah.
G
I have to
unit.
go think.
One bit of jack there night.
Oh
And
man.
they run up.
And the parrot after the next year.
I get some plate. Bush plate. Yeah, nice. Natural.
Fish, done, one up. You don't know. You call that one a roast fish, natural, just from the ocean. Yeah man. One up. Yeah.
Hot, hot, hot.
Mermaid and the on the spot. I will tell them say what? Hot. Hey, mind fire the one and part there.
They never check you?
You said me not lucky?
You're not looking?
Alright,
Oh, you
you
can.
have one. See us from this very moment, you never make me arrested that again. Tell yourself you are the luckiest man on earth. Here. Never make me arrested that again. A woman
Only
tell me
good
that
things will come out of your mouth.
anything come out of your mouth supposed to be good and positive. Verse about yourself, straight up. Yeah man.
Oh.
Turn it over.
So I'm Barra today. I told Barra me so far.
You see Barra?
Eh?
today?
No, me I said we should have see one.
Oh. And yo, that video epic. It's
Remember
sick.
me when me look at time again, my friend. It's breadfruit time again.
Yes, people, and that's the lunch. Look at that. Yeah. Right, so we're gonna peel off the burnt skin and then you have the tender meat right there with some roast breadfruit and a lovely view. Look at that. Nice. Catch and cook. Yeah man, that's the lifestyle. Yeah, beautiful. All right, so we're gonna sit down and we're gonna dig into this and yeah.
Over here, so you know, just sit down.
Nice.
A pound of chicken nicer than a pound of rice.
Breadfruit. Yeah, nice. All right guys, so see, when we roast it this style, we're just gonna take off the skin and then Look, look. No, oh my God. Look, look, look. All right, so just like this. Mmm. Look at this tender meat. Yeah. Nice and fresh. Mm-hmm. Nice. Yeah. G-unit. What you say?
Nice.
Nice. Crazy.
Mouthful.
Mouthful. Nice. So this video is gonna be a compilation of different dives because each dive had some action, but each dive wasn't enough actually to do a video. So I'm gonna put all of this together. So that's why you have a lot of different scenes. Yeah. And this dive has the food scene. Yeah, man. And then guys, this view.
The food even nicer.
Yeah, man. Alright guys, so as said, we're going to play me against Zoo. You're going to teach me. Let's see how this goes. I haven't played this game for such a long time. Down. Which one? Too full? So yeah, one chance, you know, give me a chance.
Show the 15, look if they can show the 15. See 15 over here, sir.
seagulls left. Next time. Alright guys, that's it. We're gonna play. Get my thing on target, so tomorrow. Yeah. Go and see tomorrow. Yes, it doesn't look like I'm gonna play again. Professionals have arrived. Nice.